going to do some harvesting today at last. I've decided just to take up all my potatoes. Normally I would just take some now and again, as and when I need them, but I've decided to risk it all this year and just dig everything up and store them and see how we got on over winter. Quite risky. I got a fair amount of potatoes. It would probably last me a good couple of months. I'm going to give it a go this year. I've tried before to store them and it's not worked out very well, but I'm really going to take my care with them this year. This is the main star of the show this year though. We'll get into those potatoes in a minute. Look at these pumpkins. Well, there's nothing but pumpkin leaves here at the moment, but we'll get into that in a minute. The sunflowers have all headed south, but I can't even get in anymore. Look at the size. Oh, so don't disturb a bee somewhere. Look at the size of that sunflower head. It's huge. As you can see the bed here, they've all died back. They're all ready to go. You can see I've taken half the bed already. And it's produced, I was really surprised because this bed was little, small, tiny potatoes and it threw out some whoppers, which I was super pleased about. Well, it appears that I hadn't pressed the record button. Oh, I can't believe I never pressed record. What a dumpty. This is what I've got so far. Oh, for goodness sake. There we go. That's all just from this bed. First one. Looking good. Excellent. Really solid. Oh, they're sweet, aren't they? Yeah. Woo! Look at that. Amazing. Thought you might like a quick checkup on the greenhouse. Tomatoes are amazing. They've been amazing all year. I am super pleased with the tomatoes this year. They've done an amazing job. You can see the peppers are starting to die back now, and I'm thinking that whether they're red, look at that one, look at that, it's beautiful. And I'm thinking colour or not, I'm just going to harvest them because the plants are dying back and they're probably not feeding them anymore. Got some cucumbers, just going to leave them. I'm going to get all these tomatoes, all the nice juicy ones, and get them in the basket. So that's me got all my tomatoes and all the peppers. I'm going to take them in, give them a good scrub. So thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and a possible subscribe would be fantastic. Thank you very much. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.